It is the 4th of February, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, as predicted, I didn't have time to do anything. WIKISPEED, out of town appointments, and preparing for more. And coming week will be much the same. And blocks are all of this stuff going on between now and mid-March. So that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. Not a lot of progress to report. I posted the meeting videos. Actually, the first one I found what wasn't posted was December 31st. And then I posted a couple of other ones that were kind of in between ones that we had gotten done. So I'm not sure how we missed some of them, but tank level project didn't get any progress. Mobile battery inverter, no progress, and the Raspberry Pi kit, no progress directly. There is something that I did. I got a crimping tool kit with the pins so that I can make small cables that'll connect the distance sensor to the ESP32 and the ESP32 to the connector that I've got connected or kind of glued to the side of the GoPro case. So I couldn't find anybody that actually stocked it locally. They all told me they were going to have to order it in, and it was going to take longer than Amazon. So I just bought the kit from Amazon. I will be getting the pins, the refill pins locally. Anyway, it should have arrived today, and I got a message from my stepson. I think it did actually. For next week, I am looking at still trying to put something out each week. I've lowered it from putting out a video each week to putting out something each week because I haven't gotten a video out at all. I haven't got an update to the Wiki project, so I've got to do one of the two. And then I'd like to get this ESP32 inside the GoPro case, get it done already. And I guess that's blocks. I guess I am getting some help with the volunteer fire department stuff. There's a lady that's looking to assist with doing the books and keeping track of the meeting minutes, which will really help. So I didn't know it was a block, I guess, but it appears to be a block. It takes a fair bit of time anyway. And that's it for me. Back to you, Lauren.
Okay, so I'll give myself a 2 for coming here. And the team 8, and don't have a process improvement at the moment. And that's it for me.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 7 out of 10. And I'll agree with 8 out of 10 for the team. I don't have a process improvement, so that pretty much wraps us up for stand-up. Is there anything you want on recording for Crosstalk?
No. I would say end the recording.
Okay, we will shut her down.